English podcast
for English learners.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Conversation, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Jessica.
Hello, Jessica, and hello to our amazing listeners. So, Jessica, what are we going to talk about today?
Well, Adam, today we are going to, maybe we can just show how a normal conversation happens when you go to a restaurant. We can talk about what people usually say when they walk in, order food, and leave.
Ooh, nice. That is good because I always feel nervous when I go to a restaurant. I never know exactly what to say.
Yes, it is very normal. Okay, so let us start walking. While we are walking, it is natural to talk about how you feel. For example, you can say, I am so hungry today. I cannot wait to see the menu.
I am so hungry today. I cannot wait to see the menu.
Yes. Now let us think about this sentence. The first part, I am so hungry today, is simple, right? But it is very natural because people often say this when they are really looking forward to food. And then, I cannot wait to see the menu is about future expectation. You are telling someone what you are excited about.
Oh, I see. So even a small sentence like that can make me sound natural in English?
Exactly. And you can also ask your friend a small question while walking, like, do you want to sit inside or outside?
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Perfect. And why this works is that you are giving the other person a choice. You are not saying, we will sit here. You are asking politely. That makes the conversation smooth and friendly.
Ah, okay. That is helpful.
Yes. And listeners, if you are enjoying this casual conversation, we would really appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. But do not worry, we will not ask again too soon.
Yes, that is fair.
Here we are. The smell already makes me hungry. When we enter, a polite thing to say is, good evening, a table for two, please.
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Now, let us think about this. Good evening is a friendly greeting for the evening. A table for two tells the waiter clearly how many people are with you, and adding please makes it polite. You see, even small words like please make a big difference in English.
Ah, I see. I never thought please was that important.
Yes, and if you want a special table, you can say, could we have a table near the window?
Could we have a table near the window?
Good. Now, using could here is very polite, and saying near the window tells the waiter exactly what you want. You are being clear, friendly, and polite at the same time.
Ah, so it is not just the words, it is also how I say them.
Exactly. You can even add, if possible, at the end. Like, could we have a table near the window, if possible? This makes it even softer.
Could we have a table near the window, if possible? Ah, that is nice.
Yes, very natural. And notice how simple the sentence is, but it is very polite and clear. Now we are seated. Usually, the waiter asks about drinks first. You can say, can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Perfect. Now, can I have is a very flexible phrase. You can use it for almost anything, soda, juice, coffee, tea, and adding please always makes it polite.
Oh, so it is not just for water. I can use it for anything I want.
Yes, and sometimes when you are nervous, it helps to quietly repeat the sentence in your mind first. It makes you feel more confident.
Good tip. I always forget what to say when I feel nervous.
And listeners, if you're enjoying these phrases about greetings and drinks, you can like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps us keep making videos like this and also helps your friends learn English naturally.
Yes, just a gentle reminder, no pressure.
Now we have the menu. Sometimes the names of dishes are difficult. You can ask, "What is in this dish?"
What is in this dish?
Perfect. And notice why this is good. You are asking for information politely. You are not saying, "I do not know what this is," which sounds more negative. This is friendly and natural.
Oh, I see. I can use this for any dish I do not know.
Yes. And if you want to know if it has chicken or fish, you can say, "Does this have chicken or fish?"
Does this have chicken or fish?
Exactly. It is very simple, but it makes it clear what you are asking. And if you want to avoid something you do not like, you can say, "Can I have this without onions, please?"
Can I have this without onions, please?
Perfect. Always include please, and using without helps you clearly explain your preference without being rude. When you are ready, you can say, "I would like the spaghetti carbonara, please."
I would like the spaghetti carbonara, please.
Yes, very good. Now, why this works is simple. "I would like" is polite, and saying please at the end makes it friendly. You are not commanding, you are requesting.
Ah, I see. So, I would like is better than I want.
Exactly. And if you want more than one thing, you can say, "I would like the spaghetti carbonara and a garden salad, please."
I would like the spaghetti carbonara and a garden salad, please.
Yes. And if you are ordering for a friend, you can say, "She would like the grilled chicken, please."
She would like the grilled chicken, please. Oh, that is easy.
Yes, it is very simple, but polite, clear, and natural. Sometimes it is important to ask about allergies or preferences. You can ask, "Does this dish have nuts?"
Does this dish have nuts?
Perfect. And you can also ask, "Is this vegetarian?"
Is this vegetarian?
Good. Asking these questions shows care for your health and also makes your English sound very polite and natural.
Ah, I see. It is simple but important.
After the main course, if you want dessert, you can ask, "Could we see the dessert menu, please?"
Could we see the dessert menu, please?
Perfect. And you can say, "I would like the chocolate cake with ice cream, please."
I would like the chocolate cake with ice cream, please. Yum.
Yes. And if you want to share, you can say, "We would like to share the cheesecake, please."
We would like to share the cheesecake, please. Very clear.
When you finish, you can ask for the bill. You can say, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Could we have the bill, please?
Yes. And if you pay with a card, you can say, "Can I pay with card?"
Can I pay with card? Okay, very simple.
Finally, when leaving, it is polite to say, "Thank you, have a nice evening."
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Yes, politeness is very important in English conversations. Small words like thank you and please make a big difference.
I understand now. Even small words can make me sound confident and polite.
Exactly, Adam. And remember, speaking English is about trying and practicing, not being perfect.
Yes, and dear listeners, keep practicing these small phrases. Repeat them with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror.
Yes, and that is it for today. Thank you for joining us on Real English Conversation.
Goodbye, everyone. Practice, be confident, and see you in the next episode.
Bye.